The 7th generation Nissan Z has received mixed reviews for its retro-inspired styling. To enhance its attitude, Hoshino Impul Company, a renowned performance parts manufacturer, has introduced a comprehensive aero, suspension, and brake kit for the latest Z model. The most discussed aspect of the Z's design is its controversial front end. Impul's two-piece bumper update features a sharp lower lip with upturned end plates and high-profile fins, addressing concerns about the front's appearance. The sides of the car are complemented by outward jutting skirts and fender vents with carbon fiber mirror caps. The Aero kit also includes a sculpted wing with centrally mounted pedestals, completing the sporty look. At the rear, a diffuser with sharp fins and winglets continues the theme and is available with titanium exhaust finishers or factory exhaust tips. Regarding performance, the package includes 6-piston front and 4-piston rear brake kits, boasting Impul-labeled calipers and larger slotted rotors. The suspension is upgraded with Öhlins Super Shocks and springs for improved cornering and a stiffer ride. Inside, plush floor mats with an official Impul badge add a touch of luxury. However, quality comes at a cost. The Aero kit is priced at over $5,000, with the brakes being the most expensive component at $7,900. Pricing for the Impul spec Öhlins suspension kit is yet to be determined. While compatibility with the US market Z is uncertain, the part's outward appearance suggests they might fit. Overall, the Impul Aero kit presents a notable improvement for the Nissan Z sports car